Hello, welcome to the AVCAD Database Manager 101 course. This course will help you understand the basic principles of working with the program, teach you how to create devices, hard and soft options, create custom layers, work with parameters, kits, analog devices, and equipment lists. First, we will demonstrate how to change the database folder. This folder may be shared among multiple users for company operations. We recommend making backups of these databases. On the right-hand side of the interface, you can see how the device will appear on the drawing. AVCAD Database Manager consists of several modes: Device Edit, full access to editing devices; Parameters Edit, device parameters such as weight, heat dissipation, any parameters you wish; Equipment Lists, for creating specifications that can be saved in Excel and used in AutoCAD, Revit, and Visio; Kits, for creating equipment kits; Analog Devices, for creating analogs of devices to quickly change them in equipment lists; Layers, for creating custom layers to use in your devices; Settings, various settings. Database Manager has a number of default layers of connectors, but it's also possible to add custom layers. Let's create custom layers. Change the mode to Layers and add 2 layers. Return to Device Edit mode and create a device using information from the website and our newly created custom layers. Note that the layers HDMI and SDI, which we created, have appeared in the Layers list. After creating the device, don't forget to click the button to add the device to the database. Hard options are additional devices that can change the number of ports in the device. In this case, it's an HDMI board. We do not recommend making chassis boards using hard options. In this case, it's better to create boards as separate devices. Hard and soft options can be copied from other devices if they are the same. Soft options are simply additional information that can be added to the drawing for the device. For example, this could be a 4K license for a video conferencing codec or additional software modules for equipment. In this case, it's a lens. Let's switch to the Parameters mode and create some parameters, such as weight and operation noise. Don't forget to synchronize your parameters and databases. In AutoCAD, Visio, and Revit, you will see all the information we created. It will also be available when saving the specification in Excel.